Hey, my name's Matt, and I'm doing a review on the Stihl FS 240R. This is the greatest weed eater known to man. There's never been a better weed eater out there. Even the 250R, which this replaced, is no comparison to this unit. Yet there is one major problem. There's a flaw with it, and I'm going to tell you. The engine power, 1.7 kilowatts. Oh my goodness, what does that mean? It's equivalent to a rocket ship going up to the space station. 2.3 braking horsepower. That is the raw horsepower coming out of here before it hits the head. Let's say the state of Florida asks you to go ahead and clear the Everglades. You don't need machinery, you don't need a bunch of tools. All you need is the FS 240R to get it on, get it done, bring some water, and always wear safety goggles. And you're like, Matt, how heavy is that bad boy? It's close to 15 pounds. It's 14.6 pounds. But watch this, the man that's out there in the hot sun, it's only gonna take you a couple days to adjust to you to get that inner strength for you to be able to hold this like you would hold a sword. Do you think those Roman soldiers in the days, they threw down the sword, they said, this is too heavy? Friends, you will get used to the weight. But those of you who can't handle the weight of this bad boy, get out of the kitchen, it's too hot. You could step down, you could what? Mouse down as a man and not even put your cowboy boots on. And you could go with the 131R, that's 12 pounds. Friends, my daughter can lift the 12 pounds. It takes a real man to swing this bad boy all day. Yet when people drive by, and there will be people driving by when they see the orange, and when they see the power, and when they hear that engine purring, they're gonna stop and they're gonna take a second look. There is no one equivalent. Is it cheap? It's not cheap. It's $630 before tax. Stihl doesn't discount them. Why? They don't have to. This is the #1 weed eater in the entire world. Nothing comes close. And here's the thing. You will be feared by every blade of grass and every weed and everything that is in your face. They will fear you. They will hide. They will say, oh no, not me today, because they know what's coming. 750cc tank to hold your gas. And you're like, Matt, how big is that? It's 25 ounces. 25 ounces of fuel. Or you could say this, jet fuel to get wherever you want to go. Friends, here's the thing. Your buddies who are out there with their Mickey Mouse stuff, okay, they're going to have to fill up 4 and 5 times. You can start and go and go and go and go. This thing will not quit. You'll quit before it quits, so bring your water and bring your camel back, okay? And decide this, it's war. And you're like, Matt, what's the cutting swath? How much land can I move when I'm doing my thing? Close to 17 inches every time you swing it in every direction. Friends, this is not a toy. This isn't for the young at heart. This is a piece of machinery handcrafted in Germany. Oh my goodness. Friends, this isn't for the faint of heart. This was handcrafted by a guy who showed up to work with a smile on his face because he is making the #1 trimmer in the entire world. And it surprises me that they don't sign them. But on the back it says made in Germany. What do you put in it? 2-in-1. You guys know the drill, and I always use the Stihl. Use that Stihl oil. I don't try to save a buck here and a buck there when I'm putting in my baby. No, no, no. You want to put the good stuff in, because if you treat it good, it's gonna treat you good. The shaft is absolutely solid. It's not this thin composite. Oh no, I'm talking it's a solid shaft, it's a straight shaft. So when you're getting it on in a ditch or on a hillside, you're not having to bend over, you're not having to do all that foolish nonsense. Friends, this thing will be out in front of you. And how many times have I been getting it on, getting it done in a field or a house or some yard where a person didn't take care of it, or it was abandoned for 25 years, and I took this thing in there and I killed snake after snake after snake. Any animal that came across my path was a dead animal. At the end of the day, I'm just kicking all the snakes out of the yard. I don't feel the rattler or the copperhead. I got this. I read reviews where a person said, well, it's not balanced. Did you adjust it? I mean, honestly, did you just spend $700 almost, get some more line, get some oil, get the gas, and you didn't read the manual? That you did nothing. You just wanted to be Paul Bunyan in your yard and go around the tulips. Friends, that's foolishness. Adjust this up or down, and that will give it proper balance. Every person that holds it differently, so you can adjust it. When you're choking it out, I like what they did on this unit. With the choke here, I have to push it in and twist it. Though, when I hit the gas, the choke comes off. It's awesome. I prime it, I just hit it one time. I pull one time and it starts. One shot, one kill, never die, never will. The armor on it. And you're like, Matt, what are you talking about, the armor? The high composite, and you want to say the word plastic, but it's not plastic. It's high composite something. And friends, I don't even know the big word they use, but let me tell you what it is. I'm on the top of a hillside, and I dropped baby, and baby rolled all the way down, which took me 15 minutes to get up the hill, and it rolled all the way down. There was a few scuffs, a few scratches, but this stuff just doesn't break unless you take a sledgehammer to it, and I've done just about that. But I have to warn you, there is one major problem with this unit. It's not the weight, it's not the price, it's not the power, it's not the quality. Let me show you what it is.
Is that Marcy in our bed again? Is that her? And is that gasoline in our bed?
No, it's not gasoline, honey. It's motor mix in case Marcy gets thirsty.
Oh, please. Am I not enough for you?
Honey, I love you.
I thought we went over this, that she was never to be in our bed again.
Look,
hey,
I love you.
Listen.
I love you. This is not my fault.
Her or me? You make the choice.
No, I think we can work it out.
There's no working it out. Either she gets out or I do.
Honey, I'm not going to ruin our 28-year marriage. Honey.
So how much did you pay for it?
Hey, she has a name. She has feelings. Come on.
Okay, all right. So how much did you pay for it?
Hey, she has a name. She has feelings.
Oh, and I don't.